Hey guys, so in this video, I will show you the possible method to fix Telegram login SMS fee problem. So in the recent update is Telegram has added this update that you have to pay something to get the SMS for your login on the Telegram. So I have a solution for you. And the best solution for you to fix this problem is that sometimes you have to pay. So you need just to pay that SMS fee. I don't know why Telegram added this update, and the update is not that good because anyone now who wants like logging into his Telegram account like twice or more than twice, they will ask him to pay something before he get the SMS fee, before he get the SMS login. I don't know why this is happening, but most of the time, if it's just started happening on your account, you have to pay that fee before you be able to get the SMS on your account. I don't know how to fix it, so maybe in future, Instagram, Telegram may like have some option to get the SMS. But for now, you have to get some funds to get that SMS from the Telegram official. And that's it, guys. Maybe we are praying for the next update to remove this SMSP on the Telegram. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe.